Today is a big day for GTA mod menus. We have a couple of big announcements from Snow at GTAcheats.net and Kiddion from Unknown Cheats, and we're going to get into that right now. But first, a word from my favorite affiliate, Kinguin. Are you building a new PC and need Windows 10 but don't want to pay hundreds of dollars for a key? Or are you a student and need Microsoft Office for class but don't want to pay a subscription and just want to pay one cheap fee? Or are you a gamer and looking to get games at discounts of 10, 25, 50, or even 75% off? Well, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, honestly. Check out Kinguin, man. Kinguin has a vast library of cheap keys for games, DLCs, and Windows programs. I've been using them for years, and I'll tell you, they're probably the most reliable key website on the web right now. So if you're interested, check out the affiliate link in the description below, and if you make a purchase, it helps out the channel. Thank you. So, firstly, if you aren't already aware of the current situation with mod menus and how the new update affected them, you can check out my last video on that topic in the description below, or you can click the card at the top right of your screen. Now, let's get into the big news from Kiddion. If you don't know Kiddion already, he's from UnknownCheats.net and the creator of Kiddion's mod menu for PC. He stated in a post from August 7th, 2020, 4 days before the release of the Los Santos Summer Special, when asked how long an update to the mod menu would take, he said to expect 2 weeks. I'll have a lot to update, and it will take a couple of days for this to be approved too. This is great early news coming from Kiddion. Surely it might not be the time that many people were hoping for. I know a lot of people might just want it now or in a couple of days max. So maybe 2 weeks is a bit long, but at least it gets rid of the uncertainty. It doesn't leave us guessing. At least we know, okay, 2 weeks is the time frame we can expect. On the GTA live stream yesterday, I actually predicted that it would take 2 weeks. I said 2 weeks or a month max. So it's good to see that I was on the right track. Now let's get into the news from Snow over at GTAcheats.net. He resells mod menus like Delusion, Luna, 2Take1, stuff like that. On the Discord, he officially announced that 2Take1 has been updated for the new GTA Online 1.51 update. And he states that it may be the only menu that's up as of today for the new update. He also concurrently announced that the restock of the menu is out, so it's available for purchase over at his website. You can go cop that right now. It's a lot of good news. It's a lot of good news for the modding community, and it seems like these menus are getting back on their feet pretty quickly. With the news of 2Take1 being updated, I wouldn't be surprised personally if most of these paid menus were back up and running by the end of the week, and that's including Fragment, Luna, and others. Now let's cap this off. Let's cap this video off by talking about yesterday's stream, y'all. I just want to say the turnout, I really appreciate the turnout yesterday. The stream was crazy. The chat was booming. The chat was live. I really, really liked that turnout, and the views were good. I really like everything about that stream that happened yesterday, and I want to keep that momentum going. I know you guys like the stream, so I'm going to keep that momentum going, and I'm going to do another live stream today at 1 p.m. In that live stream, I'm going to be messing around with 2Take1 while I prepare for my final review. And I'll be doing more heists with the chat. So if you didn't get to hop in the heist yesterday, we did some heists yesterday. If you didn't catch that, it was fun. If you want to hop in and play some heists with me, we're going to run that again today. So you can come through and show some love. And speaking of yesterday's stream, if you didn't catch yesterday's stream, we talked about Kiddion's mod menu and guesses for the menu updates, how long things would take. So you can check that out on the left side of your screen. And as always, you can check out the rest of my GTA videos in the playlist on the right side of your screen. Take care, guys.